guys, welcome back to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. How's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little Halloween haul. First, let me just say, I'm slowly catching up on Halloween mail. I think I only have a few more packages that I need to do a video on. I've been uploading vlogs, slowly getting back into the groove of things. The Halloween stuff that I got this past season that I've just kept to the side because I knew I wanted to film some hauls on it. So we're slowly doing that. So that's what you're gonna be seeing today. Since it's almost 2021, which I can't believe it, I'm gonna have to be doing my yearly Halloween Happy Planner, part of my HIY series that I do on my channel. It's Halloween It Yourself, just showing you guys that you can pretty much Halloween anything yourself. If you're wanting to bring Halloween into your everyday life, just doing a few little tricks and little DIY projects can totally help you out and give you that Halloween magic all year round. Leading into that, I'm going to go ahead and haul a lot of Halloween craft items. Most of these items I found during Halloween, and then also some of them I found when AC Moore was closing. They had like a huge sale. It's been a long time since I've looked at this stuff, but it's just been sitting in this box waiting for me to get my hands on it so I can craft and create some creepy cute projects. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. If you are on Instagram, be sure to follow me at Halloween Happy, and if you're on Facebook, I do have a Halloween Happy Facebook page as well. All my social media links are listed down below, so all you have to do is click them. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not. It would help me out so much. I feel like it's so dark. I don't even know if you guys can see Raven. She looks so cute though. Found this huge Crafters Essential pack from Tuesday Morning, the Ultimate Crafters Toolkit, right? An adhesive runner, rotary cutter, a large bone folder, trim and scoreboard, scoring tool, craft knife, sticky piercer, cutting mat, ruler, standard scissors, precision scissors, the perfect card making craft. In my opinion, if you like making cards, this is definitely a good toolkit to have. And these are like the essential items that one would need. Found these blank books. There's just a few of them. They're these jack-o'-lantern guys. Thought these would be cute to include in any kind of mail or little prize packs. Glitter cutouts. Have I done this video before? I feel like maybe I filmed some of this. These glitter cutouts, I found some skulls, a pack of jack-o'-lanterns and spider webs. These are so easy to craft with. You can do card making. You can also make your own banners and garland, which I like to do. Found some of these die-cut felt spider webs that are really cool. These are perfect for making garland as well. Pack of orange and black buttons. Really easy just to throw on cards and on planners. It just adds texture to it. Ever since I was a young kid, I always enjoyed crafting with buttons. I'm not sure why, but wooden treasures. These are just a few haunted houses that have the sticky stuff on the back. Found a pack of these candy corn friends. More felt pumpkins. A few more packs of the haunted houses, glue dot tape, more wooden treasures. These are little Draculas, which I thought were really cute. More adhesive runners. I go through these a lot, so I try to snag them whenever I can if they're on sale. I found these Jolie's Boutique stickers. I have these already, but they were on sale, so why not? Color a cup where it has the paper illustration in there, and you can just color it, put it back in your tumbler and use. We have more glitter cutouts. Also, another thing that I love crafting with that is really easy. Sometimes if you're not feeling crafty or you're just getting into it, buttons is a good one to craft with. It's super easy. You just glue it and it looks so cute. Use it as eyes. You can use it as letters, all sorts of stuff. Something to prop another sticker up. Also like using rhinestones. I use these a lot for my journals, planners, and also card making. They're super easy just to add like a little sparkle to whatever project you're doing. Another craft essential I would say is definitely ribbon. Found this cute felt pumpkin ribbon. Look at how cute this is. I actually put this on my Halloween tree this year and it's so cute. You could do so much stuff with this. You can wear it as a choker, wear it as a cute headband. You could sew it onto something. So many different things you could do that with. Some more ribbon. These ones I found at Michael's. I love this one. And it has like felt bats on it. I thought that was really cute. I can't wait until we start organizing all of my craft supplies. I think I'm gonna do that probably after I do my HIY planner, I'm thinking. So stay tuned for that and thumbs up if you want more organizing videos. And then at Target, of course, you always have to check out the dollar spot come Halloween, pretty much any time of the year. Ink pad, it's kind of like this bronze color, which would be great for fall. Just a good old simple jack-o'-lantern stamp. Lead pencils. More stickers. If you're getting into buying Halloween stickers, I always try to find ones, of course you can use for Halloween, but ones that you can use for other seasons. Like these would be great for Creepmas. I've used these before and I've always enjoyed putting them in with like the Halloween projects, like adding pink, more glitter cutouts. These are little orange leaves. I don't know if I showed these in a video previously, but they're in this box, so I'm gonna go ahead and show them. Canvas drawstring bags. I found these a long time ago. AC Moore was going out of business. There's so much dust, you can probably see it. I wanna say like a quarter or maybe even 10 cents. Everything was so cheap at the time. You can color them in, you could do paint, you could use markers. Little witch on her broom and it says Happy Halloween. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze because of the dust. 5 of those. I'm really excited to be using these. I think this is why I filmed this video, because I was like, I want to use my pins from my planner. They're just permanent markers from Premier by Nicole. I really don't buy pins like these separately at Michael's. I just feel like they're a little too expensive, so I'll try to use like gel pins, something that I can get on sale. But these were, I don't even remember how cheap these were, but I found a few. 2 purple, 2 gray, and 2 orange. I'm gonna set those aside. I found this skeleton glitter cutout from the Christmas tree shop. These are also really easy to craft with. If you just buy some decor at like the dollar store or Dollar General, you can add your own glitter to it, add your own bow to it, tie it around the skeleton's neck, and he has a spooky bow tie. Like, it's just stuff like that that I like to get and then put my own twist on it. Here are the rest of the rhinestones that I found, stocked on the normal colors that I use. I always use orange. Purple, I also like using clear and black. Green's not really a color that I craft with too much for Halloween. I tend to stay like with the orange and black. Some more black rhinestones, letter stickers. Some people call them thickers because they're thick stickers that you can use. Easy to add the word boo on a card to add the word eat. If you're making like a photo album, you can use the numbers 3, 1 and it just adds so much. It's so fun. A few packs of those. All sold out of all the colors that I normally get, but silver is good with me. I remember where I got these from. It says American Greetings. Do you guys remember when American Greetings used to have their own stores? I don't know if they still do. When I was young, they had an American Greetings card shop in both of the malls, and I loved going there because I would always buy my Hello Kitty stuff there, my Karopi stuff there. It was such a fun store. I went there like every Saturday. Found the sticker pack that has some pretty cute stickers. This is like my favorite. It's so cute. It's like the perfect color palette. It's got little witchy friends, little bones, stars, little asterisks, bunch of spooky friends. This one's fun. It's kind of like a countdown. You can also do it in photo journals, counting down the days to Halloween. Also, I was looking for new accounts to follow on Instagram within the crafting community, and I miss it so much. I feel like that's all I followed when I first started my account, because there wasn't really any like 365 spooky accounts at the time. So I was looking for new accounts and I just got inspired because I just saw all these planners, all of these cards. Do you guys remember flip books? I've done a few videos on them. I'm like, I want to make a flip book so bad. I enjoy buying little Halloween treat bags. I don't know why. I'm never going to use them all, but they're so fun. Found these at I want to say the Christmas tree shop, I think. And it just says trick or treat with a bunch of jack-o'-lanterns on there. It says Happy Halloween with a bunch of bats. These were also at AC Moore. I'm pretty positive they were like 10 cents each. They're all the same. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Say trick or treat. These are really good for photo journals. You could hole punch it, put it in your little photo album binder, put a photo in there. You can even put the photo on the top, put a note about that day. These ones I found at Tuesday Morning. This pack is just all the same. You have all of these labels. You do like potion bottles and whatnot. And then on the back, it just has a bunch of twigs and some bats. Just a bunch of potion bottles. And then on the back, you have all of this scroll. $4 a pack. Next up, I found another paper pad. This is Happy Haunting by Janet Hopkins. Called Halloween. This one's by American Crafters. This one was also $6.99. Skulls. More pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, you have some crepe paper in there, spooky houses, spider webs. Usually I can find them by Echo Park, and I love getting these because it includes different stickers, like different element stickers, such as border stickers, label stickers. They'll throw in alphabet stickers. Spooky by Karina Gardner. You just get all of these papers. And then down here, these are the stickers that you get. Gonna be perfect to use in my planner because you can make lists, you can write little things here and there. Halloween Town, this is by Echo Park. Kitty Halloween, which is cute. These are the papers that you get. And then here are some of the stickers. Full sticker sheets. These are perfect because if you don't really want to invest in a bunch of paper pads, sticker pads, you can just create a few little things with these. These were only $6. I feel like I like buying these and working with these more just because they're smaller. By American Crafts, it's the Booyah theme. All of these are double-sided. Some of them have orange glitter, which I really love. You have some potion bottles there. Do a quick little flip. Look at this one, it's so cute. Little cats. More orange glitter, which I love. Little Halloween aliens. This one's really cute. Okay, I take it back. I think these are my favorite kind of paper pads to buy because they're small and they're easy to store away. Look at this one. This one's embossed with orange glitter. This theme is called Pets and Pumpkins. Hologram has made a comeback. I feel like it's such a popular thing right now and I love it. Here are some hologram bats. Pretty, look at that. Look at this, guys. So cute. Oh, I'm so excited to do my planner. Here's some more holographic spider webbing. Look at these little cats in their little costumes. Oh, little paw prints. Raven, we might have to make a little photo album for you. It's the dogs in their costumes. Oh my gosh. A little turtle. You have a bunny, porcupine. How sweet. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this craft haul. I hope you guys liked everything. Let me know what items you tend to buy come Halloween season or when you're shopping for your craft supplies. Let me know what are your favorite stores to check out. All my social media links are listed down below. Subscribe to this channel. It would help me out so much, and be sure to give it a thumbs up if you want more videos like this, maybe more crafting videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the notifications bell. That way you are notified when there is a new video. Raven wants you to have a good day too. A Halloween happy kind of day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!